Hey guys, you're welcome. In today's video I'll be showing how I made this luxury fried rice. Luxury or nothing. You're welcome to Progressive Recipes. In this place we'll cook and bake and we'll decorate cakes, making sure that our recipe are so simple for you to replicate it. I got this chicken from Tesco. I'm going to cut and wash. Some people love washing their chicken with salt. Some people love washing it with vinegar water. Some people love washing theirs with lemon juice. But I'll be washing this chicken today with lemon juice after cutting. If today is the first time of watching my video, you're welcome. Feel free to be a part, like, share, and comment. So I'll be using gizzard also. So I just added my gizzard and I washed with lemon. Yes. After rinsing, I'm going to be spicing up this chicken and gizzard together. I have ginger, garlic, pepper, onions. Yes. That's what I love using when I'm spicing up my food. So after peeling them, I'll wash and I will crush it down. Yes, with my sweet blender. After blending, I'll pour all the pepper mix inside. I have this beautiful mixed herbs. Yes, I love using it. I got it from Tesco. You can purchase it from any shop around you. So mixed herbs. So I will now add a little bit of thyme, curry. Just do you. Spice up your meat just the way you like. Seasoning cubes and my pepper mix. I mix this very well. If you don't want to start cooking today, you can pop in your freezer. It's still okay. You can make this a day before. Allow it to marinate overnight. It's a good deal. But today I'm making it right away. So I start washing out things while my meat is cooking. Yes. After the meat is well done, I need to sieve it out, dry my gizzard with my air fryer. Just a little bit of dryness because I don't want it that hard. So, and I will also dry up my chicken with my air fryer. So I'm going to be separating the chicken from the gizzard right away, and I will start drying it. Don't forget to like this video. Feel free to share and follow me. So I start boiling my white rice right away. You can see our chicken. So now it's time to sieve out the gizzard, and I will dry it out with my air fryer. After parboiling my rice and washing, I poured in the chicken stock right away, and I have a little bit of extra in the house. I poured all in, sieved them out, and that is it. A little bit of Amawanda fried rice spice. That's my number one for me. So, and I will spice a little bit salt and seasoning cubes, and that was all for now. Allow it to cook down. So you can see my gizzard is ready. I'm going to be cutting it into pieces for my fried rice. So I'll be drying out my chicken immediately. You can see the rice is cooking. The color is perfect for me. So right away, see the chicken in the air fryer. I don't want it well dry because my little kids will also be enjoying. The rice is ready. Allowing it to dry out water is important to me. So when it's ready, I'm going to be cooking this green peas for just 3 minutes, and I will sieve it out. I'll be using carrots, green pepper, red pepper, yellow pepper for this simple luxury fried rice. Yes, it's simple because everything here is affordable, and you can manage and make this beautiful. So this is okay after cutting just exactly the way I wanted. Yeah, you can see me cutting and cutting like a pro. Please don't cut your hand though. My video is on a speed, that's why it's as if I'm rushing the cutting. So right away, everything is set. Cut my gizzard. You can see the shape I want and get things ready. everything is pretty ready. In a dry fry pan, add a little bit of oil, for me olive oil or any vegetable oil of a choice, little bit of salt, onions, fry, and you start adding your veggies little at a time to fry. Yeah, I poured in my minced pepper first and I start frying. I poured the green peas, carrots, and I keep frying to make sure everything is cool before I start adding my rice. That's my gizzard going in. Whenever is stir fried well, and I start adding in my rice. Mix thoroughly, make sure everything is well mixed. Is it not smelling? Is it not looking luxury? Is it not smelling luxury? No, tell me. This is looking beautiful. If you have not liked this video, like my video, share to your friends and family, and feel free to comment, ask questions. Look at that. Isn't this beautiful? This is pretty lovely. So I will take out the first batch and I will do the second time. I just want to show you the down parts, telling you you don't need to do your fried rice on a very hot heat. Look at that. So make sure you're on a medium heat so that your frying pan will not be burning and burning and burning. You can see how neat my frying pan is and the second frying. So right away, do you know the reason why I love frying my fried rice little at a time? Let me tell you, it's my little secret. If you want your fried rice to last for you, use this method. If you want your fried rice not to turn to something else in the next few hours, use this method. This method can stay a day without you putting this fried rice in the fridge or freezer, and I bet you it will still be okay. No need to panic if you're using this my method. That is why I don't joke with this method. Even if it's a bag of rice I'm making, I must fry it little at a time. It makes the whole thing beautiful and helps your fried rice last. Don't forget to like my video and feel free to share. I love you all. Look at that. Isn't this beautiful? No, tell me, isn't this beautiful? It's so nice and attractive. I love you all. See you in my next video. Bye.